What's up, guys? Welcome back. Starting this year off with a bang. Hopefully by the time you guys seen this, I already told you guys that I have a new car. Well, two cars and all the details, hopefully. If not, then we kind of skipping ahead. It's been a last crazy couple of months of 2024, and we're gonna be doing some new things. So we're just gonna jump right into it. I went and got a new car because I wanted to do something different. This is also going to replace the Hot Boy car. The Hot Boy car is officially gone. That's the car right there. Yeah, so I got rid of the Hot Boy car, and obviously we got to replace it with something. So we got an S15. All right, so it's not much now. It's just a clean, low mileage, stock, NA, Spec S, like basic of the basic, but we gonna make it the greatest of the greatest, obviously, right? No dents, it needs probably a different color, or we gonna leave it this color. Who knows? But it's just clean and stock, and I can't leave it alone. So we are gonna mess with it today. Yeah, I've been trying to run some scratch offs, but yeah, nice and stock and clean, NA, XYZ. So I'm gonna pull this out now. We're gonna go over to the other shop, and we're going to slap some coilovers on it, and hopefully some wheels we could put on it also. I just need something to drive. The green sedan is gone, so I need something kind of, cool to drive, I guess, because the green sedan was the daily. So, yeah, let's go take this to the shop. All right, so look at this thing. Bone stock. Woo! Got that nice timing chain rattle. Got a little radio in there, nice and clean though, clean dash. It's a good start. Nice auto, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, oh, wow. We can whip it. We can whip it.
Craving even more?
Let me turn that off. Whip it. Hope I don't whip it into nothing else. Oh, yeah. Yeah, whipping out there. Even got the backup beeper. I'm gonna leave that. I like that. Now, I do have a manual swap for it, but I don't think I'm gonna manual swap it yet because after a manual swap, it means I'm gonna want to turbo it, so I'll leave it for a little bit. Oh my God, I left that other car running on over there. Let me go get it. It's so stock. Yeah, we're gonna have to beep that out because Sean don't have no good video etiquette, you know what I'm saying? Line me up, bro. Line me up. Good. Go back. Hey, I didn't know it was gonna stop it though. Thanks for trusting me. That ABS worked, bro. Good, right?
Up, good, right there.
Look at that. It even has an automatic trunk opener. It's stock.
Minty.
Minty.
It's minty.
Mint. I don't know about minty. He's been hanging out with kids too much.
Oh shit.
All right, so I got the team here. We finna get it done. He finna just drink beer. You know what I'm saying? Go check my dog channel out, bro. And then we got Rico. I don't even know why he's here today, but he's here today. You know what I'm saying? And then we got Sean Booth over here with his little KAT car trying to be cool. Look at his ass. Finna do a clutch. Nah, my KAT car way better than his, but that's so we can party with KAT cars. I'm extreme. What? Because I don't got FDF? Bruh, come on, bro. What you doing, bro? Come on, bro. You gonna help, bro? Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
I got a haircut, bro.
You got a haircut, bro. I'm not sizing. Where's it? Oh, y'all see his haircut, bro. Go in the comments. Tell me about his haircuts, guys. The person that has the best joke on Haitian's haircut gets a free t-shirt. Come on, bro. We gonna make a t-shirt with this nigga on there. Fuck it. I mean, we clocked in right now. Rico ain't playing around, bro. We already got all the wheels off. Real quick and fast. Got the bolts done. Then you got to go in the car. Undo all the interior so you can get the 212 mils up top. I got an exhaust, man. We might put on the exhaust, bro. I mean, but it's automatic, so exhaust don't really do much for you. So, I don't know. Maybe not. Guys, so I'm live inside the S15 now, and one thing I like about this car already is the seat folds down, then you just pull the deck, and then you can get the coilovers out super easy. That's major points for S15 right there. Like S14s, you got to pull the seat out, then pull the deck out. It's a whole bunch of madness. So this is lit. All right, cool. So, oh my God, we got Josh Reynolds in here, bro. Oh, bro, I can't even see the light, bro. Gee, that thing bright, boy. We making crunch time here. It's been about 10 minutes. Rico already, you pulling in and out. He putting the coilover in right now, bro. Damn, bro, you don't work like this when you're on the clock, man. Goddamn, boy. I'm done. Nah, bro, we just gonna put it on there, bro. I still got fender lines and stuff. Talking about slam it, bro. You don't even have a front end over there to slam, bro. Jeez. Ooh, I ain't 6 feet swapping it yet, bro. We gonna try to do something, bro. Chill out. Damn, we need a turbo, bro. We can't be doing this no turbo thing, bro. We should keep the SR, guys. What y'all think? Comment below. Tell me. Keep the SR or not? Low-key thinking about keeping the SR. All right, cool. So we got these old Johnnies out. We're going to put these old dirty Johnnies in. As he make all the noise. At that Mexi poke, bro. All right, cool. So coilovers on. Wheel time. Go ahead, Rico. Show him that gangster fitment we finna have. Not. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. Damn, we might have to just throw some camber in the front. All right, so we could save the front if we throw some camber in there. The rear doesn't really look that promising, but we're going to find out here in a second. Dun. Damn, it just looks good from the side, though. I don't know if we're going to have such luck with the rear. That should... Huge. Yeah, if I camber it that much. Oh. What is he doing? But it looks so good. We're going to have to make it work. Don't try this at home, kids. Damn. The front look more doable. The back, dang.
Borrow Sean's overs.
Sean, let me borrow the overs off the 15, bro. Ooh, let me get those. I might need those. Well, we knew this was going to happen, right? The front was going to be all right. And the back just saying, not going to happen. So, don't worry. I'll order the fender roller. It'll be here tomorrow. We'll roll the fender some. Hopefully it can clear. If it can't clear, then we're taking another one of these. So this is going to sit just like this for now. And tomorrow when the fender roller comes in, hopefully we have better luck. All right, so Amazon let me down. Fender roller didn't come in, so Nick had to borrow one from one of his homies. Shout out to whoever his homie is. Homie. Shout out. R.I.P. stock body. See that right there? Not gonna be any more. Those are gonna fit. That's the mission. So we're gonna roll it right now. And then we can ride around automatic S15. Big old wheel that we don't even need. You know what I'm saying? We got it down. We got the wheels to fit now. Fender roller works magics all the time. We just got to lower it now because we had to raise it to get the fender roller to do that. But that came out pretty good. So we're going to go back up. We're going to adjust the ride height. And we're going to get it off the lift. Damn, I don't know, Nick. That look good, man. Ooh, got them LZs on there. Need a little wash, though. I might just have to put a little lip kit on it or something, man. Something to pass me over until we wide body like everything else. This got to replace the hot boys. The hot boy. You know what I'm saying? Which one? The gold one. Oh. Dang. I was going to say, it ain't no weight off the lift. Still look good, though. It ain't off the lift, but it look good. The front might have to go down, but we'll deal with that later. Damn, this side already tucking. Man, stock body 15 go hard with the fender roll. Don't let them tell you nothing, guys. It should look good. We need a turbo or something. Motor swap. I think I'm gonna keep it SR. Y'all let me know in the comments. If keep it SR or still we swap it. I'm leaning towards SR. I'm on this side. But let me know if y'all want to be on this side or an RB. This side over here. Crazy what some coilovers and some wheels do, man. Man, the front too high. We're gonna have to revisit the front, bro.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, I could probably just slap some camber in there real quick up top. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Probably if I throw a couple degrees up top. Alright, cool. Nothing like a little cleanup, man. A wash do a lot for a car. Look at this thing. Woo! Probably do a smaller tire in the front and then come down a little bit more. But, I mean, it's starting to look hot boy already. Just need a turbo, manual swap, you know, and all that other good stuff. But it's looking pretty good. I dig it.